August 15th at 5 p.m. Just checking out the dam and the slide area from above. There's still a lot of water down in that reservoir area. It's still quite a bit backed up. So that's telling me that the river's flowing over top of a significant amount of material still to hopefully blow through. We were up at Tsilhqox Bridge and Henry's Crossing earlier this week, and there was absolutely no sign of sockeye, nor was it really expected, but there were still only a few springs salmon that had made it up above the slide before the slide happened. And now we are just checking out things from the top. The river's flowing pretty normal, still high levels though, up the canyon towards Wilson Mountain and then down along the river ranch. Bit of a smoky day here. I think there's a fire coming in, blowing in from up north. Yeah, a ton of water still in that reservoir yet to come down. There have been a few new slides. I think they've kind of been in the land kind of along the base of the river edge there where the sediments have been saturated by the water in the reservoir. And it's actually from this angle pretty easy to see, maybe not so much on my crappy iPhone, but lots of slumping in this area. And here, lots of old landslides, just a really unstable terrain base. And then we can't quite see the slide here, it's kind of over in this direction, but we are going to go see what we can see over there. Peace.